Even me people, a very pleasant Sunday evening to who any which part of the world uno dey. Me say today, me cook some curry goat. And when me I tell you say he brought back memories from Jamaica when my mother used to cook his sweet curry goat. And let me tell you say, me remember when she used to cook it and you see when the gravy left in her pot. Me now wash out that, me just a fling little rice in there like this. And me just a mix it around so. And you see when the curry gravy touch your rice. And you see when you eat that, nothing sweet, so And while I come my son see me I do it. Hey mom, what are you doing? Me say, them your foreign people don't understand, They don't understand how we grew up in Jamaica. We no waste nothing. Gravy no waste. Rice grain no waste. No waste. So let me tell you no same thing. Me know say someone out here can relate to this, Because me know say one of you I watch this, I've done this before. I know probably I do it right just like how me I do it. Anyways, as usual, Mama Selva here. Take care and bless up as always.